It's football season, and for me, that means sort of lazy Sundays with friends over, watching the game, and enjoying each other's company. I'm going to give you some tips on how to make those Sundays memorable, and if you're a college football fan, just move it to Saturday. Here you go. Always be sure to have that welcome drink for your guests when they come in the door. It sort of sets the tone for the party. Something fun is to find cocktails that have the colored liqueurs in them that are maybe the colors of the teams, or a great Bloody Mary bar. And what you can do with the Bloody Mary bar is set up a big batch of the Bloody Mary mix, vodka separate so that everybody doesn't have to have the vodka, but have all of those extra added garnishes ready to go. Make sure that you have all of the food in an area that's convenient to where the television is. That way, nobody's really out of the action. They get to stay in the action the whole time and feel engaged. Couple ideas. How about a great taco bar? Using some small bowls and things that you've picked up on your trip. Make sure everything is just sort of fun on the table, a lot of color. Or maybe you have a very special chili that you make that you're famous for. Put it in a great cast iron pot onto a hot plate. Take those same bowls I was talking about. Put all the fixings around, shredded cheese, onions, sour cream, anything that you like to put on your chili, and that way everybody can make their own bowl their own way. One of my favorites, baked potato bar. Get those medium-sized brown russet baked potatoes, rub them with oil after you've washed them and dried them, and then rub them in salt and then bake them. When you rub them in salt, that's going to infuse that little bit of salt and makes that potato beautiful. You set up that baked potato bar with sour cream and chives and butter, bacon bits, all kinds of things. Easy things to eat, easy things to keep warm, easy things for your guests to enjoy. Because really, you want to keep your guests hydrated, fed, and having fun watching that game.